Assalamualaikum and very good afternoon. Thank you for being here today. I'm Fadli, student metric CGS 02078219, course master human resource management. I'm here to present to you about Huawei could be successful expand operation with Australia country. Culture is an important dimension of diversity to community. We refer to the culture and ethnic groups. Cultures share belief, values, practices, and other elements. Elements that express language, social roles, norms for feeling, thinking, and acting that cultural influence have an impact and interact with another. Concept in culture consists of sense of curiosity, respect, core value, and innovation. It's important aspects such as respect for diversity as a core value. Appreciating diversity in communities includes understanding dimension of diversity and how to work within diverse community. Community must be mindful of diverse in perspective experience by ensuring it's being done. The factors of unique culture, including strong management, efficient responsibility, and accountability, should be practicing always. A dedication value that can be inspired people with spirit of unwavering with conjunction to commitment into business and customers. It shows that the impressive performance as a successful company. Meanwhile, the technology belonged by Huawei, it can be useful to be in the future for the Australia country. A part of it by putting the history of successful in country. As everyone know that Huawei possesses technology that United States needs, and the partnership could be profound for them and the technologies companies. Other aspect as well, awareness can be continuously cycle of growth and influence. Humility and curiosity have been guiding that sentiments. Added information, Huawei has made a major and multi-year effort to learn and adapt Western management techniques. As a global company needs to integrate into the societies, the code word from Huawei Chinese is leverages the best is from China. The comparison Huawei Chinese culture and Australia working culture. There's a two difference of working culture, which is Australia and Huawei Chinese. For the Australia, from the perspective, they are practice on workplace on hierarchy and not added on value organization. They are practice on freedom in various aspects such as communication and interaction between individual employees and employer. In important of communication, they are highly social and as official that encourage social interaction and building of great working relationship among them. That working hours observe and recognize 38 working hours per week and applicable for morning time and highly emphasized. Also, the culture is fairness and justice. Strong agreement with the fact fairness encourage to employee to produce the productivity and dedication for the workplace of Australia. They are practicing the punctuality, which is aspect of corporate importance with highly observed and valued. They are practice on dress code, which is a different standard of dress code with most organization observing the casualness as one is decently dressed. Meanwhile, for the Chinese Huawei working culture, they are well known as a wolf culture, which is consists of key values, belief, and attitude. Fear of difficulty, eagerness, or making progress, with extremely sensitive to the market and information and could respond promptly. The wolf culture is the cornerstone success for Huawei that they are implements. That organization culture, three those have a levels they can see the height and belief. The some of manager they have a task which is in charge of supervision that culture trends and direction. For the middle level managers, focus on the right method to develop organization culture. Also, on additional culture, Huawei practice is honesty, fairness, never stop study, creative organization culture. They are enforce the workers to have certain idea how to behave performing of high quality tasks. On controlling model and adaptive model, both of country apply the concept, which is Huawei more complex and stringent as follow the model, and the Australia not taking on the value things as the culture. For the summarize, most of critical of two cultures profile work together that can work together. The first one is empathy, ability to empathize with others or see things from their perspective by understanding emotion and reaction is fundamental part. And collaboration, share knowledge and contribute to teams that can capitalize on the diversity of thinking and perspective everyone can benefit. Resilience, ability to bounce back in the face of obstacle and failures. The suggestion for Hawaii success in Australia, creating and organizing diversity of work culture campaigns, practice the two country work culture and set aside the negative ones, provide a quantitative education on the continuous integration of two countries on work culture, and also to work closely together as a step towards increasing the success. It's been an honor to be among such accomplished individuals and to be able to present my perspective accordingly. It's my pleasure to share with you for this task and such great an opportunity with all have been done. I hope I can be a good presenter for this assignment and also improve my skill to enhance on the task given. I'm also very grateful for this opportunity. I try all the best for this time and hope for the successful. Thank you and have a nice day. That's all.